Hello. Hello, it is me, Terry Armenta from Forensic Training Unlimited, also Forensic Science Academy and the CSI Training Academy. That's a mouthful. Anyway, I wanted to just briefly go over our webpage and answer some questions that I keep getting either through a DM or email or even on our social media accounts. The first one is, Terry, where the heck is the Forensic Science Academy and the CSI Training Academy located? We are located in Southern California, as you can see there. We have two sites that we train, one in San Bernardino County and the other one in Orange County. So we do have two locations, depending upon what the training module is. So hopefully that answers that. One of the biggest questions that I get is, do you offer online training courses? Yes, we do offer online training courses, and those courses can be found at forensictrainingunlimited.com. And there's the link right there for that. One of the things that, as we're getting geared for 2026, is, let me get down to it. Please forgive my scrolling. I should have had this more prepared. To get on the interest list, the interest list will give those on that list priority to register. Some of our classes, especially the hands-on training classes, are limited to sometimes as low as 10 individuals and up to 20, depending upon the hands-on training. And we do this because we want to ensure that every participant has that specialized one-on-one training and to answer questions and give them guidance and make sure that the competencies in that particular module are being met. And you simply can't do that, in my professional opinion, when you have a class load of 30 or 40. So we limit our our hands-on training. And if you want to be one of the first ones to get notified, whether it's the hands-on training, online courses, webinars, seminars, or workshops, please get your name on the interest list, which is right here. All you have to do is click on that, and then it'll be asking several questions. You just fill them out, and then boom, you're on the interest list. I am working on the schedule for 2026, so please be patient. We've got a lot of great on-site courses coming up, so I'm quite excited. And no, I'm not going to tell you. I'll leave you in suspense for that. As well as a few new online courses, especially we have two new instructors on staff. So one of their instructors is leading up our webinars, and if you've attended one of our webinars, thank you so much, and we have more to come. If you have any specific questions and you need to get a hold of someone in the office, here is our number here. That number there will go straight to our office, and someone will return your call within 24 hours or so. Again, I'm just going to go over a little bit. There I am, benefits of our training. We do have, as I said before, hands-on training. We have expert instructors, and our training and workshops. There's just a few. Again, I haven't put the 2026 on there because I'm still working on that schedule. At any rate, if you have any questions, please reach out to me on social media. You can DM me or send me an email, again, to our office. That's info@forensicscienceacademy.org, and it will come to one of our staff members, and sometimes, most times, they throw it over to me. And that's about it. If you have any questions, I'm here to help. Thank you.